Coach Kim here, excited to give you an exercise that I consider one of the best. Very functional. We do it all day long, and you're going to be doing this exercise till you're 110 years old. But before I show you, remember, check with your doctor before starting any exercise program. Whether you think you can or can't, you're right. That's a Henry Ford quote. And the reason I'm telling you that is I want you to get your mindset and say, I can do this. Okay, I'm going to show you how to scale it. And what do I mean by that? If you have, you need some options. Let's see if your knees are a little cranky or your hips. Okay, so just remember, I can't. That's a four-letter word. That's not acceptable. So whether you think you can or can't, you're right. One of the #1 exercises we all need to learn and master, especially as we age, is the squat. Okay, so we do this all day long. It's very functional. It's going to be best if you get a chair. Get a nice hard chair. If it has arms to it, that's fine too. And some of you need to push off with your arms. That's fine depending on your level of fitness. But remember, the goal as you get stronger is to be able to use the arms a little bit less and to use these legs. So let me demo the exercise first. I'd like you to plant your feet down and make sure that you have good shoes on. If you have some of those slippers or flip-flops on, you need some good solid shoes. So I am going to lecture you there. That's what supports your knees, your back, your neck. So get those good shoes on. Your feet are going to be about hip to shoulder width. I'd like your toes facing forward. So take a look at my toes. They're not out, they're not in, facing forward. Try not to let the knees knock on this. So this is what the squat looks like. My butt's sitting on the edge of my chair. My head is facing up. I'm going to stand up to a stand position, just like this. And I can use my hands for counterbalance. And then I'm going to sit down again. Now some of you need to sit all the way down. And again, some of you are pushing off your arm. That's fine. Okay, you need to do what works for you. But ultimately, the goal is going to be this. You're going to stand up and you're going to go down and let your butt tap and then stand up again. Yes, you're going to feel this in the quadriceps, the hammies, the glutes, and your heart. And a healthy heart is a happy heart. So this is the squat. So here's the goal. We're going to shoot for 10 reps, especially if you're a beginner to this exercise. You're going to feel it. You might be a little sore in your muscles. You might be a little winded, and that's okay. It does get easier. Now keep in mind, some of you are going, hey, this chair is too low. Just squat partial reps. So this is what I mean by that. Squat partial, and then come up and squeeze those cheeks in the back. You know the cheeks I'm talking about. So just go down as far as those legs will let you and come back. Perfect? Are we good? Awesome. So let's go ahead, 10 reps to start. And I also want to show you this. I'm going to get sideways to you because sometimes it's easier for you to see a visual. Remember, my knees are not coming in, my butt's going back, my head's forward, and I'm going to come up just like that. Ready? All right, 10 reps, here we go. Feet are going to be hip to shoulder width. You're going to go down, you're going to come up. That's 1 rep. Perfect. Is your head facing forward? Is your butt getting back? Yes, that's 2. Use your hands for counterbalance. Remember, I don't want you to look down at your feet. 3, that'll load your spine. So 10 reps to start. The goal is to move up to do 2 to 3 rounds of 10 reps, okay? But don't start there. We're going to start with 1 set of 10. That's 5. Head forward. Yes, that's 6. You're doing really well. Get that butt back. That's 7. Good. Don't let the knees knock in. Here you go. This will get better and better every day and every way. It gets better and better. That's 9. Let's get 1 more. Down, all the way up. Perfect. How you feeling? That heart ticking a little bit? It's because you use those large muscle groups, but I'm here to tell you, you're going to be doing this exercise to your 110, so practice now. 1 set of 10, work up to 2 sets, and then 3 sets of 10, and let me know how you feel. I'm very proud of you, and whether you think you can or can't, you're right.